Dymax multi-cure potting compounds are used to protect components and circuitry used in the assembly of thermal switches, sensors, connectors, and electronics, as well as for tamper-proofing. Primary markets for these types of applications are in the aerospace and defense, consumer electronics, and white goods industries. The products cure in seconds with broad-spectrum UV visible light and feature secondary heat cure for shadow areas. Multi-cure potting resins cure clear and deep and are ideal for shallow potting up to 6 millimeters. They are also well suited for bridge and rigid adhesive bonding. They offer excellent adhesion to metal, glass, ceramic, and many engineered plastics, including phenolic, filled, and thermoset. The ability of the materials to cure quickly with light energy eliminates the need for fixtures, jigs, racks, and ovens, increasing space and lowering total inventory costs. The low VOC, very fast cure, and one-component nature of these materials provide manufacturers with an environmentally friendly alternative to other chemistries, as well as the added benefits of higher throughput and reduced waste. For more information on multi-cure potting compounds, contact the Dymax Application Engineering team.